Damn, look how dirty this car is. It's pretty hard to pick it up on camera. This car is absolutely filled with dirt. I haven't washed it in so long.
So you can just like...
That's the airbag right there.
There we go. You're just playing with your life, bro. Yes, sir. Headliner out.
Yes, sir. Finally.
Let's go.
Okay, so the headliner is finally out. I had some help, and with some help, it took about 20 minutes to go ahead and get it out. If it isn't obvious already, in today's video, we will be installing Starlight headliner onto the FRS. Very excited to go ahead and throw it onto the car. I feel like this is a mod that I wanted to do for so long, and we're finally going ahead and doing it. Now, it was a little bit annoying in some parts. I know these two clips right over here were the most annoying to remove. I know this light and the speakers and the visors were fairly simple to do. Also, the 3 clips on the bottom were also simple to do as well. Now, this right here is the headliner. This is how the headliner looks from the back. This is where we're going to be poking the holes through and feeding the starlights in, and then the starlights will show on this side of the headliner right here. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the kit that I bought and get started on the process. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. This right here is the kit that I went ahead and picked off Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description below for those of you guys that want to go ahead and pick it up yourself. But pretty much it comes with the starlights, which is this right over here. And then it comes with this module right here where the starlights plug into, and then there is a remote in here as well. Also, you do have 2 ways of wiring it up. This right here is if you want to do it indoors and you had a plug in your car, you can use it this way. This is most likely the way that we're going to go ahead and go about. This will go ahead and fit into a car very easily. Okay, so finally all 450 starlights are done, and in total it took me 2 days. I did have some help, but I kind of took my time with this, and you can probably get this done with somebody in 3 to 4 hours. This is the starlights from the top, and then all the starlights are right here dangling on the bottom. You got to make sure to feed the wire through all the way so you're able to snip it once you're done. It is now day 3 of the Starlight headliner install. We just went ahead and put the headliner back into the car, and it's looking pretty good. We got everything buttoned up. I just finished with these visors. It was very simple to put back on. Same with the light and the speaker. All of that was pretty easy to do. And now let me go ahead and show you guys the reveal. 3, 2, 1. So this right here is the remote that it comes with, and there's so many different colors to go ahead and choose from. I love this color right over here. This is a bunch of colors mixed in one, and this right here is the twinkle effect. Another color I do really like as well is the red. This right here is the red. The white is one of my favorites, especially with the twinkle mode. You have turquoise, blue, red, green, purple, and a bunch of other colors to choose from. So on this remote right over here, you do have the option to also use music mode. You also have a couple of presets if you want to jump through colors or if you wanted to fade into colors. Motor speed is pretty much how fast you want the lights to twinkle. You can slow it down or speed it up. This right here is the fastest speed for the twinkles. Now if I wanted to slow it down, all I have to do is press the motor speed button a couple of times. Now it's twinkling very slowly. I can literally just sit in my car and stare at the headliner all day. It looks so nice. The camera doesn't really pick it up how well it is. In person, it looks so much better, and I'm very happy with the results, and I'm very happy with this mod as well. Now if you guys look closely, you can see where we routed the fiber optics, and it's still visible. This setup right here is all temporary. I do have to take off these panels and hide these wires. Obviously, I don't want to go ahead and show them. We got the fiber optics all over here, straight down this pillar, and we wired it into the trunk. So here is the trunk. It also may look a little different to you guys because while doing the Starlight headliner, I went ahead and added this wood trunk setup into the car. My old trunk liner was also fading and starting to get very old, so I went ahead and swapped it out for this. I picked this up off Marketplace for $40. It was already cut for an FRS Beersy or 86, so I thought why not go ahead and just throw this into the car. Now, getting back to the Starlight headliner, the module is actually wired right behind this trunk liner over here. I still do have to button it up, that's why it's missing that clip, but it's very hard to tell that the module is there. It's also very hard to tell that the fiber optics are routed to there as well. So it's a pretty clean install. So I hope you guys do like the new mod on the FRS. I know this mod is a little bit controversial. Some people think a Starlight headliner is ricey, and some people don't care. Honestly, I'm super happy that I went ahead and installed this. This probably goes in my list of best mods I've done to the FRS. It took me about 3 days to do. Collectively, within those 3 days, I think I worked on the headliner kit maybe 6 to 7 hours at most, and it turned out great. I know in today's video, I didn't really go into detail on how to go ahead and install this mod. I kind of briefly showed you guys how I did it, what my process was, but if you guys are looking to go ahead and do this mod to your car, I'll have a detailed video, the video that I followed, linked in the description below, that will go over all the instructions and pretty much give you guys tips on installing this kit onto your car. Now the FRS Beersy 86 headliner is a perfect headliner for this mod, especially because there's no sunroof, so all the stars are pretty much together. The material plus the size of the headliner in these cars are also very good for this mod. The material is easy for you to poke through and feed that fiber optic in, and also it is a small headliner. I know some cars have very big headliners, and 450 for this car I think is the perfect amount. I definitely could have gone 600, but it would have taken me a lot longer, and I'm pretty satisfied with this. So 100% I would recommend you guys go ahead and try this mod out. This is definitely the best interior mod to do on this car, so if you guys don't have it already, definitely go ahead and do so. But I'm gonna wrap up today's video right over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe down below. Drop a like while you're at it, and with that all being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.